Should I opt for debt funds over bank FD? How is debt funds in comparison to bank FD investment? We have our industry expert Manish with us. Manish, could you please help us find answers to these investment quests?
Now the FD rates are kind of slightly started to improve. Some bit of money you wanted to keep it for your safe assets. If you want to park, you can park in fixed deposit, no problem. But kindly consider there are other avenues also for your safe investments like debt investments. So there are mutual funds which invest fully in bonds or government securities. We call it as debt mutual funds. So have a look at on that debt mutual funds also, which is similar to fixed deposit, maybe giving you much better return or carry. So evaluate both options, fixed deposit also and debt mutual funds, and then take a call to give you an answer that the rates have gone up. So the debt side of investment is becoming attractive. So whether you want to do a fixed deposit or whether you want to do debt mutual funds, that's something which you have to have a word with the financial advisor of yours. But definitely the case for investment in debt side has improved a lot. So you should definitely consider investing in that particular asset.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.